Welcome to day 2 aboard the Disney Fantasy. It's a sea day, which means a lot of sunshine, pool time, and some big surprises coming up today. I hope you'll join with us.
We're gonna get there. Take my hand. Together we'll make it. Together we can. To the end. Together we'll make it. So come take my hand.
One of the advantages to being in the back of the ship, closer to the top deck, is you could just walk up the stairs to Cabanas, which is the buffet. So that's what we're doing this morning. We're headed to Cabanas, a couple of flights of stairs, and we're there. Successful table find by Monica right here by the window. Awesome. What'd you get?
Chocolate chip pancake, chocolate chip muffin, and 2 waffles. Mickey Mouse waffles.
What'd you get?
I got bacon, a chocolate chip donut, and a chocolate chip muffin.
I just got some sausage, some tomatoes, some potatoes. Not a whole lot this morning, but it's very unique breakfast I had. All right, breakfast in Cabanas was good. Now it's time to head out to the pool deck. Not even 9 a.m. and almost every chair has a towel in it. Well, we found some, not the best, but will do. Stitch has made it up here. That's fun.
Just one and.
What's up, Stitch? How are you today? Have you been to space today? No? Have you been out of trouble today? So, forgot to pack goggles for the girls. So I'm gonna go down to one of the stores and try to find some. We had a bag of clips that we put on the back of our chairs, and I thought the goggles would have been in there, but they were not. So it's a dad's job to go get goggles. Okay, not down here on deck 3. It's at Who's It's and What's It's, but it doesn't open up for another 30 minutes or so. But guess who's down here taking photos? Donald. Cinderella, Tiana, Rapunzel, and Belle are down in the main atrium taking photos this morning. So we're in Who's It's and What's It's here on deck 11. They actually have a lot of swimsuit cover-ups, goggles, stuff like that. So Lulu's over there getting us some goggles to enjoy for the rest of the trip. What did you get?
I got pink for me, and I got blue for Zeffy.
Sounds good.
These are really colors, so.
Well, that was a success. We did it. Now it's time to enjoy more time by the pool. One of the great things about Disney Cruise Line is the complimentary soda machines, fountain drinks, water, juices out here by the pool. Just grab a cup, refill. It's awesome. ride the AquaDuck. It was a lot of fun. It was about a 30-minute wait, but still, actually, I like that a little bit better than the Aqua Mouse on the Wish, just because the ride is actually a little longer. Even though it doesn't have cartoons or anything, still, it's a fun ride. Well, it is lunchtime out here on the pool deck, and thankfully the Disney Fantasy has several options to choose from when it comes to poolside eateries. There's pizza, there's burgers, lots to choose from. Pizza and French fries by the pool. What could be better?
You want to build a snowman?
Nothing better for dessert than a Dole Whip with some dark rum. Delicious. Well, that's gonna do it for pool time today. We actually have a very special event coming up. I don't want to spoil it just yet. You guys stick around. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you click the like button. It really helps us out. Big thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe. It's a great opportunity to see not only Disney cruise videos, but other cruise lines and parks. And well, I gotta go shower. Gotta get dressed up for this big event. Stay tuned.